Hey, it's Victor. I'm out of here with Producer Realty. In this video, we're going to take a new construction walkthrough tour of the Brentwood floor plan by Meritage Homes. The Brentwood has a little over 2,300 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. There's a huge loft area as well. There's also a flex room that could be an office, a formal dining room, or a formal living room as well. It's open floor plan. Kitchen has granite countertops with a huge walk-in pantry as well. Upstairs, you have the owner suite on one side of the home and the other bedrooms on the other side. Let's go inside and take a closer look. Come on in. So the entire main floor of this home has durable plank floors. On this side of the home is the open kitchen with lots of cabinet and counter space. There's also a huge walk-in pantry as well. The powder room is also on this side of the home, as well as the family room, which has a gas log fireplace. Let's check it out. So upstairs you have 4 bedrooms, which includes the large owner suite, which has a huge walk-in closet, double sinks, and a large shower. Let's go check it out. Outside, you have a spacious patio with a sodded backyard. Let's check it out. I hope you enjoyed our tour. Now, at the time of this recording, this particular Brentwood floor plan is actually available for sale at $319,900. If you are interested in this home or know someone who might be interested, or if you have questions about the real estate market in the area, let me and my team help you. Again, this is Victor. I'm out of here with Producer Realty, 864-438-5050, or visit our website to search all available listings for sale in the area at www.producerrealty.com. See you soon. Bye.